This here is the Lion Chef workshop at Cottage. We've got the grinder. This is a lathe. You can see here if I do this, let's move along there. We've got a lathe. This is a shaker, and then we've got a pillar drill here. You can just about see inside there. And the line shaft, power's coming from there. Power's the grinder from there. Moves on the shaft, and by pulling these, we can move the belt along and connect up the different gears. So now, further, and also we've got a bit up here, but we're not running this bit today. So we're not running the shaker, we are running this, and the grinder. So without further ado, I'm going to fire it up. So I'm going to show you how we fire it up. So what we do, we turn on the electrical supply. See the RPM's gone up. Put it on running, and then we turn up the power, and it should start. You can hear the motor, and then it sets up, and I put it on notch 2. There you go, so you've got the grinder going. If you do this, you put bits of metal on there and sharpen them. You've got the lathe going. It's not going very fast, but it is going. And then we've got our pillar drill, which again isn't going very fast, but it is going. This is how we run the Lion Chef workshop at T's Cottage pumping station. Thanks for watching, guys.